What if I told you everybody's lying to clients except you? Let's start right off the bat with a big punch to the throat. You're being too honest and it's killing you. You sit there on your white horse twiddling your thumbs, trying to use honor to pay the bills. Your competitors are winning pitches, getting gigs, and making bank. The difference is they're not afraid to bend the rules. Today, that's what we're gonna talk about. What you're doing wrong and how to fix it. Let's go. What up, though? It's AI Ty. Real Ty is on vacation enjoying the holidays. However, you've landed on the only YouTube channel designed to help content creators get that bag. If you want to learn how to use Photoshop to see what your girlfriend would look like after a trip to Dr. Miami, this ain't the channel. Here, we only focus on the business side of content creation. Now, if you couldn't tell by the title of this video, I'm no Jedi. Now, I'm not evil either, but I'm willing to look at things a bit differently. I'll keep it real and I'll say what needs to be said. You and I need to have a little talk about how you're presenting yourself to your clients. So last summer, my boy was looking for a job as a coder. Dude's a hard worker. He's loyal, trustworthy, honest, and damn good at what he does. However, dude was having trouble landing a job. It didn't make sense to me. Less competent people were being hired all the time. So I took a look at his resume, found the problem. This kid was too modest for his own good. He downplayed huge projects. I mean, he was minimizing his contributions to project launches. His resume was written by somebody who looked like they don't even want the job. I'm like, bro, if you don't get this old half-ass chat GPT crap out of my face. No, I'm joking. But at his previous job in a small insurance company, they were able to resolve about 2 jobs a day. After his contributions alone, they could process 8 a day. It completely transformed the company. Here's how this dude phrased it. Listen up. Was a part of a team that increased company workflow. Like, bruh, it doesn't even highlight the magnitude of his contributions. It doesn't even mention that he was the one who did it. Just a part of the team. This does not sound impressive. This resume is what real Ty would call hot garbage, but AI Ty would call it warm recycle bin. So me and my dog ChatGPT helped him rewrite it. It now says develop systems that increase company workflow by 400%. Bruh, you wouldn't believe the pushback I got from him. Dude was like, I didn't do it by myself. A coworker gave me the idea. The code was already there. I just optimized it. He had every self-sabotaging excuse in the book. So that's when I had to punch him in the throat. The same way I'm about to punch you in the throat. Everybody else is exaggerating all the time. The guy who gets the gig is 100% going to be lying, or at least exaggerating about his past. You are already at a disadvantage by telling the truth. You don't need to double down by using phrases that make you look bad on top of it. So believe me when I say I've hired many freelancers through the years. I've seen hundreds of portfolios, sat through dozens of pitches, and everybody is always talking themselves up. What you need to understand is, as the guy making the decision, I come to the table prepared for that. I know you're going to boast. The thing is, when you come with too much humility, I don't give extra points. In fact, it's the opposite. I assume that you did even less than you're saying you did. Now in the comments, I want y'all to have a discussion about this and answer the question, how much fluff is okay to add to your accomplishments? How much exaggeration is an acceptable amount? Do you put projects in your portfolio that the client never publish? Can you put spec work in your portfolio? Do you take credit for group activities? What's the line you won't cross? Let me know. I want to have that discussion with you. So that was the mindset part. Before we leave, I want to call your attention to the link below. It's going to bring you to the Flash Film Academy Gold Plus area where we'll have part 2 of this video. And I'll go over very specific tactics to take your accomplishments and actually make them sound good on paper. If you like this video, make sure you join Flash Film Academy by downloading the app or going to the website. Let me say a few other things. The goal of this video is not to teach you to lie about what you've accomplished. The goal is to help you think about how to present them. Most people aren't good at presenting their accomplishments in ways that benefits the reader, and it hurts us in the long run. This video is not about making stuff up or adding things to your resume or portfolio that you didn't do. This video is designed to get you to think about what the person sitting in front of your resume or portfolio is thinking, and how to present what you've done in the best possible way to make that person want to work with you. As always, be inspired, be creative, be profitable. Unfortunately, since this is AI, I really don't have any outtakes. AI don't mess up much. It gets it right the first time. That's what's dope about AI. And for those that skip the first part and think that this is actually a live video of me, it 100% is not. Welcome to the future of video production.